Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your email address on Facebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the About tab on your profile page. And on the left side, you want to select where it says Contact and Basic Info. On the right side, click the little pencil icon next to your email address and select Add/Remove Emails. At this point, you go ahead and add a new contact or add a new email by selecting that option. Or if you go back, you can also change this email by selecting the email listed here. And then you can delete the email, and then you have to create a new email. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.